In this video, I'll show you how to earn money in Megapari. This is very simple. Subscribe to this channel for more important videos like this. Before we continue, I want you to create a professional Megapari account. To do that, click on register, fill in your details from choosing your country to your email address, repeat your password, and in the promo code box, you're going to use the promo code LeoTV. If you use the promo code LeoTV, you're going to receive a 300% bonus on your first deposit. This means if you deposit your $100, you might receive $300. Once that is done, click on these three boxes and register your account. Now let's continue. Megapari is a betting platform, and the way you earn money is the same. To earn money, you have to go out to an event that you want to bet on and then choose which one you want to bet on. So like for instance, if I come right here and I click on W1, I'm betting on Empoli to beat Bologna. So once I hear I place the amount I want to stake, can be 500, can be any other amount. And as you can see, this is my potential winning. And if I go ahead and place and Empoli goes ahead to win Bologna, I'm going to receive or earn 275,000. So 2,755 units. And once that's done, I can withdraw to my account and